Do you have dreams you want to achieve but feel stuck, not knowing where to start? Maybe it's a promotion, starting your own business, getting fit, or mastering a new skill. Today, I'm going to show you how to set and achieve your goals step by step. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what to do but also feel ready to take action. Let's begin with step 1, set clear goals. The biggest mistake people make is being too vague. Saying, "I want to be successful," or "I want to lose weight," isn't enough. Why? Because these goals lack clarity. Your brain works best with specific instructions. Instead of, "I want to lose weight," try, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and eating healthy meals." Step 2. Break your goal into smaller steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. That's why it's important to divide them into manageable tasks. Let's say your goal is to write a book. Start with something small, like committing to write 500 words a day or 1 chapter a week. Step 3. Take action immediately. This is where most people get stuck. They spend too much time planning, overthinking, or waiting for the perfect moment. Here's the truth: there's no perfect moment. Start now, even if it's messy. Action creates momentum, and momentum keeps you moving forward. Step 4. Track your progress. This is often overlooked, but it's essential. Keep a journal, use an app, or create a checklist to monitor how far you've come. Celebrating small wins, like completing a task or hitting a milestone, boosts your confidence and motivation. It's a reminder that your hard work is paying off. But let's be real, no journey is without setbacks. Maybe you miss a deadline or face unexpected challenges. That's okay. Instead of giving up, use setbacks as learning opportunities. Ask yourself, what can I do differently next time? Adjust your approach and keep going. Remember, resilience is key to achieving any goal. Step 5. Stay focused and committed. Distractions are everywhere: social media, endless to-do lists, or even self-doubt. To stay on track, remind yourself daily why you started. Visualize your end goal. Close your eyes and imagine how it will feel to achieve it. Finally, let's talk about the mindset shift. Achieving your goals isn't just about reaching the destination, it's about the person you become along the way. Each step you take, each challenge you overcome, and each lesson you learn shapes you into a stronger, more determined version of yourself. So, to recap: 1. Set smart goals, be specific and clear. 2. Break them into smaller steps to make them manageable. 3. Take action now, without waiting for the perfect moment. Single quote. 4. Track your progress and celebrate small wins. 5. Stay focused, adjust when needed, and never give up. If this video inspired you, hit like, share it with someone chasing their dreams, and subscribe for more motivational content. Together, let's turn dreams into reality, one step at a time.